Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you on how to sleep properly. Improving your sleep quality can significantly impact your overall well-being. So here are some short steps to help you sleep properly. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a bedtime routine. Develop a relaxing pre-sleep routine, like for example, reading or taking a warm bath. Make your bedroom comfortable. Ensure your room is cool, dark, and quiet. Use a comfortable mattress and pillows. Limit screen time before bed. Avoid screens such as phones, tablets, computers, laptop, etc. for at least an hour before bedtime. Watch your diet. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Stay active. Engage in regular physical activity during the day, but avoid intense exercise close to bedtime. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Limit naps. Keep daytime naps short, around 20 to 30 minutes at least, and avoid napping late in the afternoon. By following these simple steps, you can create a better sleep environment and improve your sleep quality. So that's about it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.